So when it comes to rebuilding, I think at least for me, it's going to require tearing down the old and bringing in something new. So doing things that I've never really done before. So going different places, trying to maybe do some traveling. Even when it comes to filmmaking, doing things that I hadn't really gotten into before. Something like this, where I'm out of town in a hotel and I decided to bring some things and set up and shoot and talk to you guys, which is something that I never really did before. So I'm trying to rebuild and just restructure everything that I do. And I think by doing that, I can really expand not only my business, but expand myself as a person. And the process hasn't been easy. It's requiring me to have a lot of discipline and really kind of look within myself and find out the things that I really want to do and just things that I may have only been doing because I could. So what I find myself doing more often than none is reevaluating even some of the things that I do as far as filmmaking and creating videos. You know, am I creating the kind of stuff that I want to create, or am I just creating the stuff that, I feel should be created? I don't know. I guess we'll find out, huh? I've really started doing simple things. Like when I go to these hotel rooms, actually sitting back and relaxing and just kind of letting happen whatever happens, man, and just enjoying moments. Before, I think I would get so caught up in just having to do something. When you go out of town, and had a partner once tell me that vacations really don't feel like vacations because you have an itinerary and you got all this stuff you want to do, and you end up actually not getting the rest. So you need a vacation from the vacation. I think I've learned to just kind of let things just kind of happen. And if nothing happens, I'm cool with just sitting back and chilling. So the past couple months have been a little tricky for me. As some of you may know, back in November of last year, I lost my wife. And that's been kind of a crazy journey that I'm trying to deal with. So I've been, trying to create and do things and just trying to, rebuild my life and get my life back together. Well, actually, in me doing this video here in St. Louis, where I came to check on my sister who wasn't doing so good, she was sick. She ended up passing away on yesterday morning. So while making a video about trying to rebuild from my wife passing away, I am now having to deal with my one and only sibling, my sister, passing away. And it is, man, sometimes it's crazy how life works, right? And we do things to try and move on, but I don't think we ever really move on. I think that what we do is we pick it up and we carry it and we just keep moving. But we don't get past it. We don't, get over it per se. And one thing that I'm realizing is that that's okay. Like it's okay to not get over something. Now you can't stop, right? You can't give up. So you do just end up picking it up and carrying it with you. And what I'm discovering about myself is in these moments is when you find out your true strength, your true resolve, and your true determination to do the things that you want and need to be doing. It's pretty amazing when you think about it.